Salam everyone, welcome back to PromptWare. In today's deep dive, we're tracking the latest updates from Pakistan's defense powerhouse, Global Industrial and Defense Solutions, or GIDS, at the ongoing IDEF 2025 exhibition in Istanbul. Let's launch right in. IDEF 2025 is underway from July 22 to 27, 2025 in Istanbul. It's one of the top 5 global defense expos, showcasing over 400 international firms from 44 countries. Pakistan's national pavilion features prominently, GIDS included. Hall 1, Stand 1, C03B marks GIDS's presence. Pakistan's leading defense conglomerate is here to highlight its cutting-edge indigenous technologies, aiming to strengthen global partnerships and expand export avenues. SHAH-PAR series UAVs. SHAH-PAR III is Pakistan's new Group 4+ male UCAV, with 24-hour endurance and a 35,000 FT ceiling. Also featuring SHAH-PAR II Block 2, seen earlier at IDEF in Baghdad and Abu Dhabi's IDEF. BURQ family features laser-guided air-to-ground missiles for UAVs and helicopters, supersonic at Mach 1.1 with an 8-kilometer range. AZB Range Extension Kits convert dumb bombs into precision weapons. Variants include AZB 81, 82, 83, 84, with ranges up to 200 km. FATAH-1 and FATAH-2 MLRS. FATAH-1 has approximately 140 km range, while FATAH-2 extends deeper, about 290 or 400 km range. FATAH-1 was also showcased on social media. Taimur and HARBAH-NG. Taimur is an air-launched cruise missile with approximately 280 km range. HARBAH-NG is optimized for anti-ship, land attack in maritime scenarios. Electronic warfare and counter-drone systems include the Spider anti-UAV jamming system with a range greater than 10 kilometers. Eghraaq Torpedo is a lightweight ASW torpedo for UAV helicopter launch with an approximate 8-kilometer range. GIDS isn't just showing off hardware. They're pushing Pakistan's defense self-reliance, targeting new export markets and partnerships. Their focus on smart munitions, drones, EW, and subsystems matches global shifts and fills niche gaps. According to Global Defense Insight, 4 Pakistani companies, including GIDS, are active at IDEF 2025. The FATAH-1 MLRS recently demonstrated its precision during PAC India operations. Previously, at IQDX 2025 and IDX 2025, GIDS engaged with Iraqi and UAE defense officials, highlighting interest in its UAVs, MLRS, EW, and C4ISR systems. At IDEF, they're aiming even higher. So that's your latest on GIDS at IDEF 2025. From smart drones and missiles to naval weapons and EW systems, Pakistan is proving its defense tech maturity. Follow PromptWare for exclusive interviews and deep dives. Next, live from the expo floor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment which GIDS system you want explored next.